Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm going to be talking about my Ipsy bag. This is not a unbagging or unboxing because some of the things that are in here are on my face. So I'm just basically going to be showing you what I got and what I think about them. And yeah. So let's dive right into this. So the first thing that I was really excited to get was this bronzer from Morphe. It's called Romance. I didn't even think there was a bronzer in my shade. I've never even attempted to pick up bronzers. Any bronzers that I've ever seen actually are really shimmery, and I did own a shimmery bronzer at one point, like way back. And it just didn't do anything for me. But I'm wearing this bronzer today. I'm going to show you guys. And it actually works really well for me. I don't know that it will work for me in the summer just because my foundation will probably be like maybe a shade lighter than this. But this is probably a shade and a half darker than my foundation. So this worked out today. So I was super excited about that because sometimes I don't like to contour. Sometimes I would love to just have a bronzer, and now I have one, and I will definitely go get more from Morphe because I shop at Morphe, and yeah. I've never seen them, but I've actually never been looking for them either. Anytime that I go into Morphe, I get an eyeshadow palette, some brushes, and setting spray. So, yeah, now that I know that they have that, I will definitely be buying more. So, thank you, Ipsy, for that. Next, we have this, I don't even know how to say this. This is the box that it came in. I think it's Jolie Luxe Cream Mattes. So this is a born in New York. I don't know what shade it is, but it's a really pretty lipstick. It's a liquid lip. I'm wearing it right now. It's very like, it's pretty much, it's like a purplish nude. It is a pretty color. I like it. This is actually Minnie, stop. Minnie, go to your room. Go to your room. Go. She tries to dust me all the time thinking I'm playing. But anyway, this is actually the second time that I've worn this lipstick. I've had my bag for a couple days now, and I really do like it. It's very comfortable. It's not drying. It's matte. It does transfer a bit, but not too much. But I like it. I really do like it. So we have that. Next we have a sand and sky. It's really weird the way that it's on, but it's Australian Pink Clay Pore Fining Face Mask. Detoxify and brightening. I cannot talk today, but this is what it looks like. Ipsy gives samples, not full sizes. Sometimes I get full sizes, but most of the time it's just samples. But I have not used this. I plan on using this tonight, so I'm super excited about that. But this is really, let me smell it. I haven't even smelled it. Stop, Minnie. It doesn't really have much of a scent to it. It just smells like a mask. Next, I have a Nadia Nanette Lupur. I can't pronounce anything. But this is a perfume, I believe. Yeah, this is a perfume. This is a fragrance, and it smells really good. If it wasn't a fragrance, that's too bad because I've been spraying it on myself. So it smells heavenly. I love it. I don't know. This is what it looks like. But yeah, I love it. Smells like a fruity flower. Like, that's the best way for me to explain like what type of scent I'm getting from it. It's like a fruity flower. I love it. So last but not least, we have a Lord and Berry liner. It doesn't say if it's a lip liner, eyeliner. It came just like this. I used this on my eyes today and my lips today, so because it didn't say. So I'm guessing it's probably a multi-use liner, but yeah, I like it. It's a shade of green. It's in the shade Supreme Green. So it is a green color. It's under my eyelashes and on my lips. I didn't even put lashes on today. I just realized that. I didn't even put mascara on. I just kind of whatever. But yeah, so this is my Ipsy bag for the month of March, which I'm super excited about. I like everything that came in here. I can use everything that came in here. That fragrance is my favorite. That and the bronzer. I love the bronzer. I love how it looks on me. I'm not having to do, like, my makeup doesn't have to look super heavy and super contoured because of having to use a contour. So bronzers definitely help with that situation, so I'm happy to have one of those in my collection now, and I'm looking forward to going to buy more. But yeah, if you guys like this video, if you are not subscribed to Ipsy, you should definitely check it out. You get a bag with 5 sampled makeups. Sometimes you do get full-size makeup products. Everything won't be full-size, but sometimes you'll get 1 or 2 things that are super full-size, so that's pretty cool, but most of the time it is just samples. And yeah, you guys should definitely check out Ipsy if you're not subscribed to them. It's $10 a month, and they also do a Luxe box, a Ipsy box, so it's like a little more, and I think that's $25 a month. So you guys should definitely go and check out Ipsy. I will leave the link down in my description. I've been subscribed to Ipsy for some months now, so I've been doing these videos. I haven't missed a couple months, so I apologize for that. I got perfume in my mouth. But yeah, I did a little St. Patrick's look with my eyes today. If you guys would like to see how I accomplished that, how I achieved this look, let me know down in the comment section. I would be more than happy to show you guys. But yeah, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would truly appreciate it if you would hit that button and show some love and support. It would mean the world to me. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, again, hit the subscribe button. I love y'all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.